Listen up! I see you slumped over your desk eyeing that greasy takeaway box like it's your only option. You're hustling hard, but your health is tanking. Think you don't have time? Nonsense. You're stuck in a cycle of convenience food that leaves you sluggish and nowhere near your goals. But what if you could have a thriving career and a body you feel fantastic in? Today I'm giving you the blueprint. Quick, delicious meal preps for busy professionals. No more excuses, no more delivery apps. Get ready for real food that works as hard as you do. Your transformation starts now. Let's get cooking. Breakfast, the meal you're most likely to mess up. Mornings are hectic, and it's easy to grab whatever's quick, even if it's not the best for you. Maybe you're running late, juggling emails, or just trying to get out the door on time. But what you eat first thing sets the tone for your entire day. Forget sugary cereals and sad toast. Those empty carbs and added sugars leave you hungry and sluggish before you even hit your first meeting. You deserve better than a breakfast that barely fuels you. We're making a protein smoothie bowl, thick, creamy, and loaded with fuel to power your morning. It's not just a meal, it's a vibrant, energizing ritual that transforms your breakfast into something you'll actually look forward to. Start with a scoop of quality protein powder in your blender. Protein is the foundation of a satisfying breakfast. It helps build muscle, keeps you full, and supports your metabolism. Choose a flavor you love, whether it's classic vanilla, rich chocolate, or something plant-based. Add frozen mixed berries and half a frozen banana for antioxidants, fiber, and natural sweetness. The berries bring a burst of color and flavor, while the banana makes your bowl extra creamy without any added sugar. Toss in a tablespoon of chia or flax seeds for fiber and satiety. These tiny seeds are nutritional powerhouses, packed with omega-3s and minerals that help keep your energy steady and your hunger at bay. Splash in unsweetened almond milk, just enough for a thick, spoonable texture. Almond milk is light, dairy-free, and lets the flavors of your ingredients shine. You can swap in oat or soy milk if you prefer. Blend until smooth, pour into a bowl, and top with granola, nuts, and fresh berries. This is where you can get creative. Add a sprinkle of coconut, a drizzle of nut butter, or a handful of cacao nibs for crunch and flavor. It takes 5 minutes, less time than scrolling your phone or waiting in line for coffee. In just a few minutes, you've made a breakfast that's as beautiful as it is nourishing. Prep dry ingredients the night before for even more speed. Portion out your protein powder, seeds, and toppings in containers, so all you have to do is blend and go. It's meal prep made effortless. Choosing the right protein powder matters. Look for one with minimal ingredients and no added sugars. This small step can make a big difference in how you feel throughout the day. This isn't just breakfast, it's a statement. You respect your body and your goals. You're fueling yourself for focus, productivity, and a positive mindset. Delicious, filling, and keeps you energized all morning. No more mid-morning crashes or cravings for junk food. You'll feel the difference in your energy, your mood, and your performance. Take it to go if you need to. This smoothie bowl is as portable as it is powerful. Whether you're at your desk or on the move, you're set up for success. No more excuses. Start your day right. Make your breakfast count and watch how it transforms your mornings. Done. Lunchtime. Skip the deli sandwich and fight the midday slump with a chicken and veggie wrap. Use pre-cooked chicken breast, seasoned, diced, and ready in your fridge. Grab a high-fiber whole wheat tortilla as your base. Spread Greek yogurt or hummus for creaminess and extra protein. Pile on spinach, sliced peppers, cucumber, and grated carrot for crunch and color. Add your chicken, then roll it up tight. Don't overfill. Assemble the night before for grab-and-go convenience. This wrap is balanced, satisfying, and takes minutes to make. It's a salad you can hold in your hand. No mess, no crash. Healthy eating doesn't get easier than this. Power lunch, sorted, beautiful, done. Plant power time. You don't need meat at every meal. This vegetarian quinoa bowl proves it. Cook quinoa in vegetable broth for extra flavor. Mix in black beans, corn, diced red onion, bell pepper, and loads of fresh cilantro. Whip up a quick dressing: lime juice, olive oil, cumin, chili powder, salt and pepper. Shake it up. Combine everything in a bowl. The colors are a fiesta. Portion into containers for meal prep. It gets better each day. Top with avocado or Greek yogurt if you like. Eat warm or cold, lunch or dinner. Satisfying, protein-packed, and totally plant-based. Meal prep made easy, delicious, and vibrant. No more boring salads. This is how you do vegetarian right. Well done. 3 p.m. slump? Crush cravings with a Greek yogurt parfait. Use plain Greek yogurt, full fat or 2%, for creaminess and protein. Layer with fresh or frozen berries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. Add a sprinkle of low-sugar granola or nuts for crunch and healthy fats. Repeat the layers for a treat in every spoonful. Top with a drizzle of honey or cinnamon if you need extra flavor. Assemble in minutes, or prep in a jar for grab and go. Keeps you full, kills the sweet tooth and fuels your focus. Looks fancy, tastes amazing, and keeps you on track. Snack like a champion. Had a long, exhausting day at work? You know that feeling. When you finally walk through the door, shoes off, bag down, and all you want is something comforting, but you also want to stay healthy. The temptation to order takeout is real, but tonight, let's do something different. Skip the pizza and the greasy takeout menus. Tonight you're making a 10-minute salmon and veggie stir-fry that's just as quick, way more nutritious, and honestly, a lot more satisfying. Start by grabbing a fresh salmon fillet. Pat it dry with a paper towel, then season both sides generously with salt and pepper. This simple step brings out the natural flavors of the fish. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat, add a splash of olive oil, and lay the salmon skin side down. You'll hear that satisfying sizzle right away. While the salmon sears, reach for a bag of pre-chopped stir-fry veggies. Think broccoli florets, colorful bell peppers, crisp snow peas, and earthy mushrooms. These save you precious minutes and add a rainbow of nutrients to your meal. While the fish cooks, whip up a quick sauce. In a small bowl, combine a few tablespoons of soy sauce, a thumb of freshly grated ginger, a clove of minced garlic, and a drizzle of honey for sweetness. Stir it all together. This sauce is the secret to that irresistible stir-fry flavor. After about 3-4 minutes, carefully flip the salmon, let it cook through for another couple of minutes until it's just opaque in the center. Remove the salmon from the pan and set it aside. Don't worry, it'll stay warm. In the same pan, toss in your pre-chopped veggies. Stir-fry them over high heat for 2-3 minutes. You want them to stay vibrant and crisp, not soggy. This keeps the flavors fresh and the nutrients intact. Pour your homemade sauce over the sizzling veggies. Give everything a good toss so the sauce coats every piece. Let it bubble for a minute, infusing the veggies with that sweet, savory, garlicky goodness. Now plate up. Spoon the glossy veggies onto a plate, gently lay the salmon fillet on top and finish with a sprinkle of sesame seeds or sliced spring onions for a burst of flavor and crunch. In just 10 minutes, you've created a meal that's fast, full of flavor, and packed with protein and healthy fats. It's the kind of dinner that leaves you feeling energized, not sluggish. No delivery can match this for speed, taste, or nutrition. It's perfect for those busy nights when you want real food, real results, and zero guilt. You're taking care of yourself, one delicious bite at a time. You're ending your day like a boss, nourished, satisfied, and proud of what you made. That's dinner, done right. Enjoy every bite. Need comfort? This vegetarian lentil soup is your answer. Sauté onion, carrot, and celery in olive oil for a flavor base. Add garlic, then brown or green lentils. No soaking needed, just rinse. Pour in vegetable broth, season with thyme, cumin, bay leaf, salt, and pepper. Simmer until lentils are tender, about 30 minutes. Blend a cup of soup and stir back in for creaminess with texture. Adjust seasoning, maybe a squeeze of lemon. Serve hot, hearty, filling, and perfect for meal prep. Freezes beautifully for future busy nights. Comfort food that's healthy and satisfying. Perfect. Take a look at your brand new meal prep arsenal, starting with the vibrant, energizing smoothie bowl. Imagine starting your morning with a burst of color and flavor, packed with antioxidants and nutrients to fuel your day. Whether you're at home or grabbing breakfast at your desk, this smoothie bowl is more than just a meal. It's a statement that you're prioritizing your health and energy from the very first bite. Next up, the Power Wrap and the vibrant quinoa salad. These aren't just lunches, they're your midday recharge. The Power Wrap is loaded with lean protein and crisp greens, giving you sustained energy without the afternoon slump. The quinoa salad is a rainbow of veggies and plant-based protein, perfect for those days when you need something light but filling. Both are easy to assemble, easy to pack, and guaranteed to keep you satisfied and focused through the busiest workdays. For snacks or a quick meal, you've got the parfait and the salmon stir-fry. The parfait is a delicious layering of creamy yogurt, fresh fruit, and crunchy granola, perfect for a mid-morning boost or a post-workout treat. The salmon stir-fry is your go-to for a speedy, protein-rich dinner that's bursting with flavor and omega-3s. Both options are proof that healthy eating can be both convenient and delicious. And don't forget the hearty lentil soup. Warm, comforting, and packed with plant-based protein and fiber. Each of these meals is designed to be quick, simple, and loaded with nutrition to help you perform at your best, whether you're crushing deadlines or hitting the gym. There are no weird ingredients, no complicated steps, just real wholesome food for real busy people. Excuses? They're a thing of the past. Most of these recipes take less than 10 minutes to prepare, so you can fit them into even the busiest schedule. Remember, this isn't just another diet, it's a lifestyle shift. Meal prepping is your secret weapon for a week of success, giving you control over your nutrition and your time. You now have the knowledge and the tools, so it's time to take action. Don't just watch, choose one recipe and commit to making it this week. Start small, build the habit, and watch your momentum grow. If you want more recipes, tips, and support, make sure to subscribe to SlimSync now. Join a community of winners who are committed to becoming their best selves, one meal at a time. Your future self will thank you for starting today. So, what are you waiting for? The kitchen is open, and your journey to better health starts right now. Comment below and let us know, which meal will you make first? Let's get started together. You've got a full suite of quick, delicious meals for your busy life. No more excuses. Healthy eating is now simple and sustainable. Imagine a fridge full of prepped meals, less stress and real results. This is the SlimSync way. Smart, efficient, effective. Your transformation starts with one meal. Make it today. Subscribe for more recipes and join our high achiever community. Thanks for watching. Now go be brilliant.